Directionally challenged hiker here this Sunday, December 4th. Just walking around the little house in the desert property. We had in town, they're saying about 1.5 inches of rain over the past 36 hours or so. I'm thinking at our son's place it was closer to 2 inches. So I just wanted to come out here and see, you know, if the washes had flowed and, you know, just kind of see what was happening out here. And this is our new water tank. He's got it connected to little house in the desert's roof, and he said there were about just a couple inches of water in there before yesterday's storm. And I think, I don't know, it's kind of hard to tell here normally because we're so dry, but you can see the sweat line on that tank. We're about 1/3 full, and that is a 2,500 gallon water tank. So that is that's pretty exciting. We're just kind of, you know, checking it out here, you know, seeing what's up. I'm gonna take a trip up to the wash where he's been doing some digging recently. Yeah, just trying to get some dirt for our son. But yeah, there's that manufactured home remains. We do need to work on that, but we've been doing lots of other stuff around here. Not really on Little House yet, but I've got my greenhouse set up. We haven't planted anything yet. Oh gosh, as I said on the video that I finally got around to editing today, things just get in the way sometimes. Things get crazy. But yeah, there's the little greenhouse, and we checked it out inside. It's just a little wet around the edges. I was kind of, you know, you're always nervous when we dug down intentionally so that we could hopefully set it and pile some dirt around the edges to keep it from catching wind, because wind can be an issue here. So there's that. It seems to have held up well in the storm, which we didn't have a lot of wind. And little raised beds on the outside. Yeah, we really need to get on that. It's just, yeah, one of those things. But just walking here, getting a different angle of it. Looks kind of different with the clouds. But I'm gonna head on out and check out the wash with him. So I'll see you in a few. All right, just walking out towards the wash here. Again, the view and the clouds just kind of gives it a different look. I know, crazy, but we don't always see this in, you know, the Arizona desert. So kind of cool, but I probably should move. As you can hear, our neighbors have at least one goat. Something we'd like to get here eventually. All right, let's walk. Got a nice little tractor trail going here. Let's see what the wash did here. This is the kind of bigger wash on our property. Did it do anything? It did? Captured. We captured some water in a tractor. A tractor track. Wow, we have a puddle. Okay, puddles are kind of a novelty down here, especially after it's been several hours since it rained. Yeah, we don't usually just have puddles in the middle of the dirt. Oh, there we have. We have a little puddle. Wow.
You can see where it washed away a little bit of the dirt.
That's good, yeah.
That's what it's supposed to do. And you can see where it was too.
It came up
So
to
it went
there.
up to here.
All right. Wow. So there's the future swimming pool. I told Steve that I was gonna haul the diving board out here and set it up so that when you came out to get dirt, it would look really funny for a video, wouldn't it? But wow, so there's cool.
Kept it from falling down the wash.
It did. That's why it didn't do that, right?
Didn't watch out for that.
No, that's what we want. But yeah, so I guess that is about it.